This isn't the end of the Liv Morgan Revenge Tour. No. This is just the beginning.
Get out of my face. You said and time and dig down to let you know. Try to knock me down. It's sad and done. You're trash and not improvable. Oh my God. Do I waste my time thinking about you? Eyes on me, bow down till the queen go on and try to fight me. Baby.
Money changes everything.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring from Long Island, New York, Willow Nightmare!
Highly anticipated matchup. The competitors in this one have been waiting all day to get their hands on each other.
A competitor who is always laser focused on the competition. I expect big things from her tonight. Tegan Nox looking ready for a fight.
Yeah, she wants to show this crowd what she can do.
And from the Welsh Valleys, Tegan Nox!
This woman is the personification of resilience, has suffered multiple torn ACLs in both knees, yet still continues to give it her all in the ring.
Yeah, and even shares a little knee brace fashion with none other than Stone Cold Steve Austin.
A feel-good story every time Tegan Nox competes. And you have to respect the work this superstar has been putting in order to meet the kind of challenge she faces tonight. Without a doubt, we've seen the hard work paying off. You don't find yourself in a match like this without dedicating your time into your craft. All that time spent has her in a good position to pull off a victory here.
And she's going to have her hands full taking on Tegan Nox.
Tegan is scratched and clawed to reach this point, and nothing's going to stop her now. She's determined to make sure...
Big mistake there, Corey. Well, she knows that now. Sit out mat slam. Jumping neck breaker. Ouch. Boom kick. And now there's an opening.
You know, Tegan Nox is about as tough as they come, but everyone knows she's had her fair share of physical setbacks. It may not be nice or sportsmanlike, but the best option to enact when facing off against her is to pinpoint those troubled areas.
You're right, Corey. That's not... Oh! Diving senton bomb!
That was amazing.
Turnbuckle's the only thing keeping her upright.
Oh, what a forearm!
Oh, whipping double axe handle.
Tegan's hopes are waning.
And she's working over those troubled areas on Tegan Nox. Sportsmanship be damned.
Why is she still boasting around? She's in a...
That'll teach her to waste precious time in the ring. Mudhole stomping.
Can she keep her down? And a kick out.
If she keeps the pressure on, the next one might do it.
Saw that coming.
Running cross body.
Nicely done.
She might be in some trouble now.
Yeah, Cole, but at this point in the match, you still haven't lost the edge.
sense of that decision. She might have had the pinfall in hand. Roundhouse kick.
Watch this power. Way up and down hard.
And Tegan's laid out.
Boom! Did you hear the impact? Muscling up their opponent.
Oh my goodness! Into the powerbomb.
She's sewn this up like Betsy Ross. And that'll about do it, folks. Let's take another look at these ladies going toe-to-toe.
Here is your winner, Willow Nightingale.
Come on now. My goodness, she has no right to be here.
The feeling of defeat washing over Tegan Nox here. Tegan's not shining so bright right about now. She fights Piper back. She was ready for this surprise.
And it is on now. She is fighting with all she's got.
That's certainly an unexpected series of events. Man, what a push.